Good. I think so.
You jack that pump, then.
Yeah.
Whatever. Is that a dual piston jack?
It's so close.
6 piston.
6 piston jack.
Knew it Harvard played with a coupon. Yeah. CTSV.
One pump is like 6 pumps.
Whoa. Lang, what? You want to go Dutch on that caber leveler or whatever the hell they're called? Oh shit, biker gang!
Oh!
Those are all chicks!
Wait, is it volleyball night yet? All right, go ahead, Dev. Or Brett. Ooh. Here's a stock BMW exhaust on a 135i. Sounds pretty decent, but Brett thinks it's not loud enough. One more. Okay.
Half inch.
Half. Yeah.
You have a half inch
I think I put one right by that set, Brett.
It's a 3/8.
Oh, oops.
Where's your half,
Oops. The end of that just snapped right?
No. So the other two broke loose.
What? We do have a Milwaukee like impact drill and stuff.
Yeah. I might actually need that, hey.
Okay.
Cox, he doesn't have 12 point in metric, does he? Because quarter's too small, but 5/16 is too big. We just gotta get this off too. Maybe that vice will work on that. Since it's not gonna be going back on.
No, this is kind of gorilla style.
Just send it full throttle.
Cruise speed, live action.
Live action. Cruise speed.
Live and uncut.
Live, uncut. Hopefully. Better, dude.
So the exhaust is hitting a little lobe on the differential. We're just gonna cut it off. Turbo sounds nice.
Yeah, you hear it? More stock if we did from the tips. Because when a cop's behind you,
Yeah.
when a cop's behind you, they're just going to see that fucking 4-inch stainless pipe right there. I'm just wondering if we powdered it or Cerakoted it black.
Nah, they won't see that.
Yeah, bro. Nah. Okay. Alright.
It'll be too low.
Yeah, it's too low. If it's black,
You're
though.
like high in the sky, dude.
Alright, man.
Yeah, you can't see that.
Alright. When you get pulled over, don't be calling me to powder coat it.
have the most reliable guy with phones get you
Yeah,
your
it's an
phone.
iPhone